Listen to your teacher, Kathleen, okay?
Apo.
What is this?
Nakatingin.
Ano siya? Masaya, malungkot?
Masaya.
Very good. What is this?
Wawa. Wawa.
Kawawa siya? Sad, malungkot.
Malungkot.
Opo, malungkot, hindi siya kawawa. Okay? Anong tawag dito?
Galit.
Very good, galit siya. Pag nakaganyan yung kilay, galit. Okay?
Ay, ball dyan.
What is this?
Bola.
Very good. What is this color?
Ano to? Blue. Blue.
Very good. Ito?
Green. Green. Green.
Very good. Hindi ka po kasali. This one?
Red. Red.
Very good. This one?
R.
Oh,
Oh. Do.
rain.
Rain.
And this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good. Good job, mga anak. And this one, what is this number?
Mom.
Number?
Number 1.
Anak, number 1, nangungopia kayo. And this one, number?
2.
Huwag mong turuan. This one, anong tawag dito, anak?
Kotse.
And this one, what is this color?
Polio. Blue.
Very good.
Police.
Police. Very good. And this one, anong tawag dito?
Rosas.
Flower. Not roses. Flower. Very good to Jacob. This one, what is this color?
Yellow.
Very good, CJ. This one.
Red.
This one? Oh,
Oh.
orange. Very good, children. This one, anong prutas to, anak?
Ano? Orange.
Very good, guys. Apaka-very good. Anong tawag dito?
Regalo. 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 Red.
Anong kulay po nito?
Pink. Pink.
Huwag mong turuan, anak. And this one?
Green.
Very good talaga ang mga baby. Anong tawag dito sa color na to?
Blue. Ay, red.
Tingnan nyo,
Yeah.
anak.
Yeah. Yellow.
Very good. Anong tawag dito sa
Pwede rin maging yellow.
Hindi yan Pudgy Bar, anak. Donut. Pudgy Bar.
Green. 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 Green.
Anong tawag dito? Binibigay ni teacher.
Star. Star.
Papansin talaga tong kuya nyo. Ay. And this one?
Balon.
Balloon. Very good. Ginagamit to para sa
Bird.
birthday. Very good.
Jacket na ako. Ma, tanggalin mo na yung
Ayoko, anong tawag dito, anak?
Bahay. House.
Very good.
House.
Very good din si kuya, house and bahay. The Tagalog ng house is bahay. This one?
Apple.
And this one?
Chicheria.
Favorite ni Jacob, chichirya. And this one?
Gatas.
Very good. And this one?
Candy.
Very good. Anong tawag dito, anak? Nakangiti. May mostra pang mukha. Ito? Kawawa. Sad. Opo, sad ang tawag dito, hindi kawawa. Okay? Ito, this one?
Emma needs to know tonight.
Happy.
Happy.
Shalala. Okay, children, we're going to, dismiss. Our class is dismissed.
Baby. Mako naman.